Ladies and gentlemen, today my video guide will help you in getting rid of pop-up windows coming from the website turboadblocker.com. So these pop-ups mainly attack Mozilla Firefox browser, and the mission of these pop-ups is to force you into installing certain extension called Turbo Ad Blocker. Now, the developers of this extension claim that by installing it you'll be able to set your computer free from annoying ads. The point is that there are a lot of such extensions that try to force you into installing it. Furthermore, a lot of these extensions may be bundled with some free applications, and by the way, people often install it unintentionally. And then when they submit some search queries, they may notice that their search results are delivered by some unfamiliar search engine. And even if the search engine remains the same, a lot of these extensions may be spying on the user's browsing activities. They may collect some browsing related information and perform other illegal activities. I'm not saying that Turbo Ad Blocker is bad, but I urge you to be very careful. If it was installed without your permission, go ahead, go to the browser settings, click on add-ons, and then disable and delete any suspicious extensions you see over here. Also, I strongly recommend that you scan your available applications list, and if you find some items that are suspicious, get rid of them. I would also recommend that you scan your Mac computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. After the program is successfully downloaded and installed, you need to wait until it updates the antivirus database, then click on Start Combo Scan and begin the thorough research of your Mac computer. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus. Of course, in your case, it will be in the trial mode. But you may go to the antivirus section. The program will show you the total number of threads that were found during the scanning. Click on Review Results. So this is the list of threads, and not just the list, but rather their location. You may go to each specific thread, one thread at a time, until you find this icon that says Show in Finder. So this will show you its exact location in Finder. Here it is. You may right-click on it and move this thread to the trash. Basically, you may do the same thing with all other threads, or you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of these threads automatically and to get your Mac fully protected.